In this Wilderness Vans assembly guide, we're going to show you how to build your brand new Broad Arrow seat. After watching this video, you can continue on with others in this series to learn how to install optional additions like a trifold extension and our in-house seat mounting system. But enough of that, let's go ahead and get started. Right now, you should have one of these piles of boxes in front of you. Depending on what seat you ordered, you'll either have a 1200, a 900, or a 500 Broad Arrow pallet delivered to you. For the purposes of this video, we're going to open up and build the 900 Broad Arrow seat. But don't worry, all of the seats are packaged and built the same way. So let's open this up and see what's inside. The big box on the bottom contains the two main parts of the seat: the seat cushion and the seat frame with the backrest already connected. In the skinnier box on top, you'll find the two side panels used to cover the metal frame of your seat. Once you have everything out of the box, go ahead and unwrap it and lay everything out in your workspace. And quickly double check that you have the hardware bag stored between the two side panels. This bag should contain 14 M8 hex head screws. Now let's actually start assembling the seat. Grab the backrest on the seat frame and lift it up until it's locked in place in its vertical position. Then go ahead and flip over the two hinges on the front sides of the frame. These hinges are what we attach the seat cushion to. Then, grab your cushion and locate the metal push knobs on each side. Slide one of these knobs into the corresponding hole on the hinge. Then push the other knob in and attach it to the hinge on the opposite side. And that's the bulk of the seat fully assembled. All we have left is to attach the side panels onto the metal frame. If you've ordered a trifold extension of your Broad Arrow seat, you can stop here and continue with your installation using the trifold extension video in the description below. But if not, grab your side panels and let's get to it. To attach the side panels, you're going to need a 13mm socket wrench and the bag of bolts you unpacked earlier. Now the side panels align with select holes on the seat frame, so we're going to attach the holes highlighted here to these holes on the seat frame. You're going to secure the side panel to the frame by placing these bolts through the inside of the seat frame like seen here. Start by loosely installing each bolt by hand, and then go ahead and tighten them with a 13mm socket. Some of these holes are harder to reach, like the one seen here. For this hole, we suggest you either move the seat over top of a ledge or lift it up so you can secure it from underneath the frame. Once you have one side done, you can secure the other panel the same way. Your seat is now assembled. The only thing left to do is flip the cushion over and push it back into the frame to lock it into place. Thanks for choosing Wilderness Vans.